अस्सलाम वालेकुम अज़ीज़ बच्चों, मुझे उम्मीद है कि आप सब खैरियत से होंगे, आफियत से होंगे। अज़ीज़ बच्चों, आज हम एक इम्पॉर्टेंट इंटरेस्टिंग लेक्चर डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं, दैट इज़ इलेक्टोरल पॉलिटिक्स। अज़ीज़ बच्चों, इस चैप्टर में हमने डिस्कस करना है व्हाट आर इलेक्शंस, हु कंडक्टेड इलेक्शंस इन इंडिया, role of election commission, what is the election procedure, what are general elections, what are assembly elections। अजीज बच्चों, इस चैप्टर में हमें डिस्कस करना है all the terms which are related with the election structure of India। अजीज बच्चों, पहले हम डिस्कस करेंगे elections। Aziz Bacho, before discussing elections, we must to know that in India, in the world, there are currently more than 210 countries, but all these countries are non-democratic countries। Aziz Bacho, in a democratic country, elections are held regularly। अजीज बच्चों, जैसे कि आपको पता है कि डेमोक्रेटिक गवर्नमेंट इज ए गवर्नमेंट which is elected by people। in democracy, you know that people are given choice to choose their representatives। अजीज बच्चों, in democracy elections are the heart and soul। अजीज बच्चों, पहले हम डिस्कस करेंगे व्हाट आर इलेक्शंस। अजीज बच्चों, जैसे कि मैंने वहां मेंशन किया है कि व्हाट इलेक्शंस आर। अजीज बच्चों, द मैकेनिज्म बाय विच पीपल कैन चूज देयर रिप्रेजेंटेटिव्स एट ए रेगुलर इंटरवल एंड चेंज देम व्हेन एवर दे वांट टू। अजीज बच्चों, इसका मतलब है कि इलेक्शन एक ऐसा मैकेनिज्म, एक ऐसा सिस्टम है जहां पे लोगों को चॉइस दी जाती है कि दे कैन चूज देयर ओन रिप्रेजेंटेटिव्स एंड दे आर आल्सो गिवन चॉइस दैट दे कैन change their representatives whenever they want। For that, elections are held at regular intervals। अजीज बच्चों, what makes elections democratic? elections को कौन जमहूरी बनाता है? अजीज बच्चों, only those elections can be called democratic which are fair, which are conducted in free and fair manner। that means जहां मसल पावर, जहां मनी पावर का इस्तेमाल नहीं किया जाता हो, जहां फेवरेटिज्म का इस्तेमाल नहीं किया जाता हो, उस इलेक्शन को हम फ्री एंड फेयर कह सकते हैं। इन डेमोक्रेटिक इलेक्शंस पीपल कैन चूज देयर रिप्रेजेंटेटिव्स according to their wish and will। अजीज बच्चों, now question is, who conducted elections in India? अजीज बच्चों, जैसा कि आपको पता है कि इंडिया गॉट इंडिपेंडेंस ऑन 15 अगस्त 1947। उसके बाद हिंदुस्तान ने अपनी ओन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन बनाई है दैट केम इनटू इफेक्टिव फ्रॉम on 26th of January 1950। अजीज बच्चों, in India after every 5 years elections are held। now question is, who conducts elections in India? अजीज बच्चों, हिंदुस्तान में एक बॉडी है, एक परमानेंट इंडिपेंडेंट which is permanent independent body। that body is called Election Commission of India। Election Commission of India is a permanent independent autonomous body which conducts elections, not only general elections but as well as assembly or other elections. It is called Election Commission of India. Election of India, which was set up on 25th of January 1950. 25th of January 1950 को इलेक्शन कमीशन ऑफ इंडिया का कयाम अमल में लाया गया. दिस इज एन इंडिपेंडेंट ऑटोनॉमस, जिसको हम खुद मुख्तार कहते हैं, एक परमानेंट इंडिपेंडेंट ऑटोनॉमस बॉडी है. अजीज बच्चों, द चीफ हेड ऑफ दिस इलेक्शन कमीशन ऑफ इंडिया इज कॉल्ड द चीफ इलेक्शन कमिश्नर. Aziz Bacho, this Chief Election Commissioner is appointed by President of India. He is appointed for a term of 6 years duration or up to 65 years of age, whichever is earlier. Aziz Bacho, presently आज श्री सुनील चंद्र चीफ इलेक्शन कमिश्नर ऑफ इंडिया है. Chief Election Commissioner of India presently is Shri Sunil Chandar. Aziz Bacho, as you know that elections, there are two main types of elections. One is general election, another is assembly elections, and third tier, that is local government, where elections are held for panchayats, municipalities. Aziz Bacho, for general elections, there is a term of 5 years. After every 5 years, general elections are held. These elections are held throughout the country, and a government is set up for whole nation. That government is called central government. अजीज बच्चों, इस जनरल इलेक्शन में हम पार्लियामेंट मेंबर्स elect करते हैं, which is we elect them and send them in the parliament, in the Lok Sabha. अजीज बच्चों, जैसे कि मैंने आपको कहा है कि जनरल इलेक्शंस को हम पार्लियामेंटेरियन इलेक्शंस भी कहते हैं. अजीज बच्चों, यहाँ ही इन जनरल इलेक्शंस में ही जब हम एमपीज बनाते हैं, तो वही एमपीज दे elect the Prime Minister of India. Aziz Bacho, these MPs, they form the central government. They run the affairs of whole country. This general elections, by this general elections, a government is formed which runs the not only internal as well but also foreign affairs of a country. Aziz Bacho, as you know that in India there are more than 20, currently there are 28 cities and 9 union territories, and in order to conduct elections in every state, an election is held. That election is called assembly elections. In every state or in union territories, elections are held. They are called assembly elections.